In our previous class, we explored mosaic art, a timeless and enchanting expression that involves arranging small materials on a support to craft intricate designs. In today's class, we embark on a fascinating exploration of theories of music. Key signature. The key signature is a set of sharps or flats that appears after the clef at the beginning of a musical staff, indicating the key of a musical composition. Time signature. The time signature defines the number and type of notes contained within each musical measure. In the first measure, there's a 4/4 time signature, meaning it contains 4 quarter notes. In the second measure, a 3/4 time signature indicates 3 quarter notes. Similarly, 6/8 time comprises 6/8 notes, while 3/2 time consists of 3/2 notes. Types of time signature. There are 2 primary categories of time signatures. 1. Simple time signatures. Simple duple time. In this category, the upper number is 2, and it represents 2 beats per measure. Common examples include 2/4, 2/8, and 2/16. Simple triple time. Here, the upper number is 3, indicating 3 beats per measure. Examples include 3/4, 3/8, and 3/16. Simple quadruple time. This category features a 4 as the upper number, signifying 4 beats per measure. Examples include 4/4, 4/8, and 4/16. 2. Compound time signatures. Compound duple time. In this category, the upper number is 6, representing 2 dotted beats per measure. Examples include 6/8, 6/16, and 6/32. Compound triple time. With an upper number of 9, this category indicates 3 dotted beats per measure. Examples include 9/8, 9/16, and 9/32. Compound quadruple time. Here, the upper number is 12, signifying 4 dotted beats per measure. Examples include 12/8, 12/16, and 12/32. Accidentals. Accidentals in music are symbols that modify a pitch. They include sharps, flats, and naturals. Sharp, hash, this symbol raises a note by half a semitone. Flat, flat, this symbol lowers a note by half a semitone. Natural, natural, natural restores a note to its original pitch. Double sharps, double sharp, and double flats, double flat, these symbols raise or lower a note by a whole tone. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.